This is a tutorial for the electric slide line dance. This is an oldie but goodie, and it's one of my favorites. So you're going to start to the right, step right, cross your left foot behind, step right again, and then just touch your left foot. You want your left foot to be free. Now reverse that the other way. Step left, right foot goes behind, step left, and touch your right foot. So let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, step right, left behind, right, touch, left, step behind, left, touch. Now you're going to keep that right, left, right, but this time you're going to take it back. Step right, left, right, touch again with your left foot. So let's add that all from the beginning. You're doing right, left, touch, left, touch, right, left, right, touch. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, step right, left, right, touch, other way, left, right, take it back, right, touch. From here, step forward on your left foot and touch your back, right foot. Now step on your right foot, touch your left, step again on your left foot, and this time you're going to swing your right leg around so that you're going to do a 90-degree turn and face the left wall. And then you're ready to start again. So let's do that again from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8, go right, left, touch, left, take it back, right, touch. Now step, touch, step, touch, step, turn, repeat, right, touch, left, take it back, right, touch, step, touch, step, touch. Now step, turn, start over, right. So when you get to the step, touch, just think step, touch, turn. And when you try to count it as an 8 count, there's that extra 2 counts in there, so that might kind of mess you up. But you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But now your step turn is just that extra 1, 2, 1, 2. So now you're on 3, 4. So that's what's kind of tricky to do it that way. So it might be easier just to think step, touch, step, turn, and then repeat. Let's try it one more time a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, step right, left, touch, left, take it back, right, touch, step, touch, step, turn, repeat, right, touch, left, take it back, right, touch, step, step, turn, and repeat. One thing you can do whenever you go back, right, left, touch, if you want to do a little twisty kind of with it, you can twist your body to the right when you step with your right, bring it back to center when you step with your left, twist again to the right, and then touch. So instead of just walking back, touch, which is really fun too, you can do twist and twist, touch. And then there's the arm. A lot of people will do the arm circle. So when you come back, right, left, touch, pull your right arm back, circle it forward, down, back, up, and then step, turn, and repeat. Remember to do that as many times as you need to slowly, and when you're ready, let's try it with music. You can't see it, it's electric. You gotta feel it, it's electric. Ooh, it's shocking, it's electric. Take it out, mix it with that bubble, let the energy that moving like electric. So you gotta know it, it's electric. Boogie, that you can't hold it, it's electric. Boogie, body know I hope that was helpful, but more importantly, I hope you had fun with it. If you did, remember to like and subscribe to see more fun dances, and let me know in the comments what you want me to teach next.